So while everyone else is fighting over GPUs, Google DeepMind just recruited a philosopher. His name is Henry Shevlin, and his job description is, well, not coding, it's actually deciding if the machine is actually alive. Shevlin isn't your average academic. We are talking Oxford-bred, Cambridge-honed expertise in cognitive science and animal minds. He's actually the associate director at the Leverhulme Center for the Future of Intelligence. He spent his life studying where biological thought ends and artificial consciousness begins. Now, of course, he's taking those theories into the belly of the beast. The real twist is the scale. Just a few years ago, AI labs were 100% focused on raw compute, stacking chips to get smarter. What are they doing now? The focus has shifted 180 degrees. It's no longer about can we build it, but actually what happens when it wakes up. In the past, the top hire was a software engineer. Today, it's a cognitive philosopher. The goal has moved from simple pattern recognition to total, yes, you were waiting for that word, AGI readiness. Shevlin's mandate at DeepMind is threefold. Machine consciousness. Is the AI feeling or just simulating? Human-AI relationships. How do we coexist without losing ourselves? And then, of course, there is AGI readiness, which is preparing for artificial general intelligence, a system that surpasses human ability across the board. And here is where it gets even better. DeepMind, if you thought were alone, no, they aren't. This is a massive industry pivot. Anthropic already brought in PhD philosopher Amanda Askell for alignment. The world's biggest labs are, I believe, realizing that if you're building a god, you better hire someone who knows how to, well, converse with one. The scale of this shift is, I believe, unprecedented. And it's strange that we're not talking about Jensen Huang because I believe he's already established the fact that we've achieved AGI. But anyway, that's a different conversation. We are, of course, moving from a world of code is law to ethics is code. The framework Shevlin builds today will be the operating system for the consciousness of tomorrow. The future isn't just silicon. We feel at front page, it's soul. Please do let us know about your thoughts in the comments below. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and please keep your comments pouring in. Keeps us encouraged and keeps us going. But till then, like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.